When I hold you, don't do no harm, and I
feel Dude, Malachi, you hit an all-time low.
Why?
I just split videoed myself. Yeah. I always split video myself though. Yep. I always split myself. Click the band.
He just flicked herpes on me.
She just snorted.
Gotcha.
Number 2.
It's okay. What are we doing? We're kicking it in my room right now. With Slamma-Jamma right here. I don't know if you can see this, but Slamma-Jamma is right here. He's running the
Of course, never heard this before. What? Malachi.
Huh?
Hold on.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we like that.
That's what I'm talking about.
Sam. Never heard this before.
That's how we do it. We got Vince. We got Vince over there running with the Slim Jims. We got Big Ant over there. And CJ and Jugs. Hi. Don't forget Danny and Court, aka Viola. There we go. And Brandon, who gets some all the time, especially tonight. He just got it in. You know what I'm saying? He really did. This is true. This happened. He was upset about it. But yeah, I'm about to put this on Facebook right now.
There was one that was okay, like I listened halfway through.
Yeah.
Right now.